how to share Amazon Prime account membership with friends. So if you want to share your Amazon Prime account membership with your friends, then just follow the steps. So to share your Amazon Prime account membership with your friends, first you need to create an Amazon household for sharing Prime benefits. So to create an Amazon household, you just need to simply visit the web page of Amazon household and simply decide on an account type. You can add an adult, teen, and a child. And after that, you need to enter your name and email associated with your new member's regular Amazon account. And after that, you need to consent to share a wallet, and so do the new members when they accept your invitation. This is so Amazon can verify that you live with the people you add to the household. You may not like this part because they can move your payment methods to their wallet. There's no way to stop them from doing so. However, Amazon notifies you when it happens. After you've given wallet sharing consent, choose what digital content you want to share with the household, such as apps, audios, and ebook purchases. Members must accept your invitation and verify their account details to complete the process. They have 2 weeks to do that, and you'll receive a notification after they've successfully joined. Everyone you invite receives an email that looks like this one. To accept the invitation, they'll press the Get Prime Benefits button. Then they'll click Continue on the page, informing them that they can cancel any Prime membership they have. Finally, they must agree to the wallet sharing agreement and opt in to share any digital purchases. After that, the person's enrollment is done. Repeat the application procedure with the other family members you want to add, and your Amazon household is complete. In this way, you'll be able to share your Amazon Prime account membership with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.